Hi girls, welcome to the clubs page. So I'm just going to take you through how the sign up is going to work and just fill you in with a little bit of information. So the spring term clubs that you signed up for in January are not taking place because we have been out of school for such a long time. So what we have done is brought forward the signing up process for the summer term clubs. So tomorrow, which is Tuesday the 9th of March, you will be signing up for your clubs, and the sign up sheets will appear on this page tomorrow morning. They won't appear before then. And they will also be taken down at the end of the day on Tuesday to allow us enough time to process all of the forms and get the registers up and running ready for next week. So the clubs will start on Monday the 15th of March and they will continue all the way through until the end of the academic year in July. Now the first thing you need to do is read through the home page. So this little video that I'm recording now should appear just at this little section here. It says please watch the video below, so you should see that. And you need to read through all of this information, and it's got the timings for the clubs as well. We've also got this email address at the bottom. So if you've got any questions about clubs, then please direct all of your questions to that club's email address there. So you can go through and have a look at the timetable, which if we click on the summer term clubs timetable, you will see it here, and you can download it if you want to have a slightly better view. Once you've gone through the club's timetable and chosen the clubs you want to do, please remember that when you're choosing, don't do clubs that clash, that take place at the same time. Okay, you can only do one club on a Monday 4A. You can't sign up for two, so just sign up for the one club that you want to do. Once you've done that, you can find out a little bit more information on those clubs. So you have to look down the side to see if it's creative, active, STEM or music. And you can then click on the correct heading and find the clubs that are running this term. Each of these pages got a little bit of information about what happens in those clubs. So once you've been through that and you've really chosen what you want to do, you will then go through and you will see these sign-up forms. Remember, these sign-up forms don't appear until Tuesday morning. So you would then click on the sign-up form, wait for it to load, which hopefully it's going to load very soon. And once it's appeared, you put in your name. Can you put your full name in, please? Your form. And then you click on the clubs that you would like to take part in. Now, there's no limit on the number of clubs you take part in, but what we would say is that we are running a slightly collapsed clubs timetable program at the moment, just because we aren't allowed to mix bubbles. So make sure that the clubs that you sign up for really are something that you want to take part in. Now, there could be some clubs that are really, really popular, and what we may have to do is actually put you on some sort of rota, and the club leader will be in touch with you if that applies to you. So you sign up for the clubs, click submit, and that's all you need to do. If you've got any questions, please remember to email the clubs@bla.gdst email address, and I really hope you enjoy the choice of clubs that you've got on offer until the end of the academic year.